Dear guests, your safety is top priority for us in Nava. While you are preparing for your careless vacation in Adriatic paradise, our professional team is working on cleaning and preparing your boat according to the highest hygienic standards. For cleaning galley surfaces, we use detergent for cleaning all hard surfaces. It easily removes grease, burnt food residue, and ingrown dirt. Dish cleaner with a concentrated formula that contains natural raw materials from renewable sources with strong degreasing of the dishes, gives rich foam during washing, and ensures excellent washing results. Our laundry service team cleans all the sheets right after the boat is finished being used by the previous customer and right before another customer arrives. The laundry is cleaned at 90+ degrees for the maximum efficiency, as bacteria or any virus cannot withstand high temperatures. For cleaning cabin surfaces, we use product for disinfection. Liquid made up of alcohol kills all microorganisms on surfaces. To clean the toilet area, we use concentrated cleaning agent for complete hygiene and cleanliness of toilet bowls. Proven to remove 99.9% of bacteria. On top of those products, we use vinegar, responsible for aggressively killing all bacteria left behind, and it's very effective and eco-friendly. For all other boat surfaces, we use product for disinfection. The liquid made up of alcohol kills all microorganisms on surfaces. We use it before and after any guest on board, or if the boat hasn't been used for a period of time. It is very effective in keeping you safe from any harmful external viruses, such as corona or bacteria that builds up on. Only left for you, upon your arrival on Nava boats, is to relax and enjoy your vacation.